Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy you're here because today I'm going to share something very special with you. Something that changed my life. Something that helped me go from silent to confident in English. Yes, I'm talking about a secret English speaking method. It's not in most books. Most teachers don't talk about it. But this one simple method can help you speak better, faster, and with more confidence. So let's begin. Let me tell you a little story. When I started learning English, I thought I was doing everything right. I watched English videos. I listened to English music. I read books. I studied vocabulary. I even learned grammar rules. But something was wrong. When I tried to speak English, I froze. My brain stopped. My words disappeared. My mouth didn't move. Even simple sentences were hard. Even saying hello, how are you, made me nervous. I started thinking, why is it so hard to speak? Why can I understand English, but I can't say it? And maybe you feel the same way too. Don't worry. I was there. Then one day I watched an old video online. A man said, if you want to speak English, you must speak English. Not just read it. Not just listen. Not just study. You must actually speak it. Every day. Even alone. And that idea changed everything for me. So what's the secret method? Speak English to yourself every day. Yes, you heard that right. No teacher. No partner. No pressure. Just you and your voice. This is called self-talk. You might ask, why should I talk to myself? Isn't that strange? Yes, at first it feels strange, but soon it becomes natural and powerful. Here's why it works. You practice thinking in English. You train your mouth to say English words. You feel safe. No one is judging you. You build speaking confidence every day. You stop translating from your language to English. Think of it like this. When you go to the gym, you lift weights to grow stronger. When you talk to yourself in English, you grow your speaking muscles. Let me tell you how I started. Every morning I looked in the mirror. I smiled at myself. And I said, good morning. How are you today? What are your plans today? What do you feel like doing? Then I answered myself. I feel good today. I think I will go for a walk. Maybe I'll watch a movie later. It was simple, but powerful. Then at night, I did it again. I had a nice day today. I ate biryani for lunch. It was spicy. I talked to my friend on the phone. I was not perfect. Sometimes I made mistakes. Sometimes I forgot words. But I kept going. After a few weeks, I was shocked. I could speak faster. I could speak longer. I was not afraid anymore. What can you talk about? You don't need to prepare anything big. Just talk about your life. Here are some ideas. What are you doing right now? What did you eat today? What do you like to do on the weekend? Describe your room. Talk about your dreams. Pretend you're ordering food. Imagine a job interview. Tell a story about your childhood. Just speak. No one is listening. No one is judging. It's your practice time. You're training your brain. Every time you do this, you're telling your brain, hey, we speak English now. And your brain listens. Soon, the words will come faster. The grammar will come naturally. And your fear will go away. You will not just know English. You will feel it. You will live it. Bonus tip, record your voice. If you want to go one step further, use your phone. Open the voice recorder. Talk for 1 minute. Say anything. Then listen to it. You will hear what sounds good? What sounds strange? Where you can improve? And one day after 10 days or 30 days, You will listen to your old recording and smile, because you will sound better, stronger, more fluent. Remember, speaking is not magic. It's not about learning 1,000 new words in one day. It's about speaking a little every day. Even 5 minutes is enough. But do it every single day, because small steps taken every day lead to big change. Speak with feeling. Don't just say the words like a robot. Speak with emotion. For example, instead of, I am happy, say, I am so happy today. Instead of, I like pizza, say, I really love pizza. It's my favorite. Your emotions make the words real, and real words stay in your memory longer. Talk while doing things. You can practice self-talk anytime. While cooking, while cleaning, while walking, before sleeping, while getting ready in the morning. For example, while cooking, I need tomatoes. Where is the oil? Let's add some salt. While cleaning, this table is dusty. Let me wipe it. Now it's clean. You are living in English. And that's how fluency grows. Let's try a small routine together. Morning. Good morning. I just woke up. I feel a little sleepy, but I'm ready for the day. I will take a shower, eat breakfast, and start my work. Afternoon. It's lunchtime. I'm feeling hungry. I think I will eat rice and chicken. After lunch, I will take a short break. Evening. The day was busy. I finished my work. Now I just want to relax. Maybe I will watch a YouTube video or read a book. Do this every day, and watch your English improve. You can do this. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know every word. You just need to try. Speak. Make mistakes. Speak again. That's how I did it. And that's how you can do it too. So my dear friend, this is the secret method. Speak English to yourself. Every day. Anywhere. Anytime. No fear. No pressure. No rules. Just speak. Be free. Be confident. And your English will grow faster than ever before. If you liked this tip, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write in the comments. I will try self-talk today. I believe in you. Keep going. And remember, don't just learn English. Live it. See you next time.